Hi, go. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
अबे जल्दी बोल कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. A lot of you guys have been following me on Instagram, and I've been telling you guys that I'm going to be starting a YouTube channel. But it's been a while. I've been trying to figure out setup and how all this YouTube thing works. And finally I realized just waiting for a right setup is just waste of time. So I'm just gonna go out there and start this channel. It's mostly, I'll just give you the gist of how it's gonna be. It's mostly going to be more like vlog style videos where I would be chit chatting, and I would be talking about random stuff. So it's not going to be tutorial kind of deal. It's more or less going to be a vlog style videos, and eventually if I get a better setup, who knows, I would do tutorials. So for today what we are going to be making is spaghetti chorizo pasta. I don't know why I did three fingers. Spaghetti chorizo pasta. Spaghetti chorizo pasta.
अबे जल्दी बोल.
So this pasta has been my go-to pasta because it takes literally 15 minutes to cook, and if you have like all ingredients in your fridge, it's basically made from all the ingredients that are available in your fridge, so it's pretty easy deal. So let's go to my kitchen and let's get it started. To sum it off, it's gonna be oil, chorizo, garlic, onion, tomato, pasta, parsley, cheese. Chronology समझे?
आप क्रोनोलॉजी समझ लीजिए.
I tasted chorizo once when I was working for one of the restaurants, but it was actually a Goan chorizo. But it tasted really nice because it has like really good spice flavor. Other than that, a Spanish chorizo is pretty expensive in India, but here it's like very easily available. I kind of got a little lucky there. So one more flavor that I like in my pastas is garlic. Dude, garlic tastes so good. I don't know who was the first guy to invent eating garlic. Like, कौन था वो बंदा जो ऐसा देखे कि भाई इसे खाने. Hats off to you. Garlic, and especially what I like about garlic is like it pairs so well, like garlic or lasun. It pairs so well with parmesan. Like garlic pairs really well with parmesan, and lasun pairs really well with. I didn't say it.
समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो आप?
I still can't get over the fact that I made that joke. To be honest, like ये पूरा garlic का segment ही मैंने वो joke के लिए सिर्फ बनाया. Now I'm cutting some parsley. Parsley is more or less like dhania in Canada. But one thing I like about Canadian culture is कोई माँ अपने बेटे को बोलती नहीं है बेटा पार्सली लेके आओ, बेटा धनिया लेके आओ. And one thing I hated about that धनिया guy is जब भी वो जाता था ना, तो first of all they just don't give धनिया. They give coriander, they give ginger, they give chilies, they give adrak. And then what they do is they see the person and then they judge. They make estimate कि हाँ ये बंदे को थोड़ा कम अदरक देते हैं, ये बंदे को थोड़ा कम मिर्ची देते हैं type. And every time I went there, first of all, low self esteem. वहाँ पे जाके बोला भाई जरा धनिया दे दो, तो वो धनिया देगा और इतना इतना सा अदरक देगा. And then I have to go back home, and all the way back home I'm just thinking कि my mom is going to judge me. And obviously every time I reach home, my mom is always like, अरे इतना सा ही अदरक क्यों दिया? अरे यार मैं क्या करूँ यार, धनिया उसका दुकान है यार.
अरे क्या क्या करूँ मैं इसका, क्या करूँ?
So now we are finally making our pasta. So first thing what we are going to do is we are going to cook off some chorizo, and in the same pan we are going to add garlic, we are going to add our onions, and we are going to add tomatoes, and we are going to let it cook slowly until like all the onions and tomatoes disintegrate. And once we get that base ready, we're gonna add our pasta, we're gonna add Parmesan cheese, and then we are going to add some parsley and finish it off. And that's the most easiest pasta ever. So finally guys, it's time to taste the pasta. I have to squeeze into the frame because obviously we have a very budget setup. So we are trying to make this work. My back's kind of hurting, so let's finish this off really quick. Wow. So at first I just tasted the pasta and it was tasting really okay. But then comes the best part, the chorizo. Oh god. Chorizo lifts up the flavor profile so well. Wow. So good.